It's actually a crystal clear night here, or evening, but you can't really tell because the Canadian wildfire smoke is as bad as I've ever seen it. I mean, that's the sunset. It's just blocking the sun right out. It's about as bad as I've seen it. And the smell is, it ain't a terrible smell, to be honest with you, but when it's constant, it just kind of gets old after a while. I imagine people with asthma and breathing problems don't like it at all. You know, it's like sitting by a campfire, you know. You can only do it for so long before the smoke gets to you. And it just sucks that, you know, the sun up here is kind of a big deal, you know. So the smoke blocking it out whenever there's a north breeze, northwesterly breeze, it's just a bummer. Yeah, hopefully one day all them forests will do what they gotta do up there, and all these fires will be a thing of the past, but I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon. I'll talk to you later.